Myself Dnyaneshwar Padole, basically from Nagpur. I have completed my Masters in Geology in 2018 from RT Menu Nagpur University. My experience about the Evision Technoserve, it was just amazing. Especially the modules on the cloud computing, virtualization, Windows Server, Outlook and ITIL are very good, and the so much practical sim I learned here. Here the mentors were well experienced in their respective domain. After completing the 45 days of online internship, I got placed at the Team Computer Pvt Ltd with salary offered 2.4 LPA. This online institution is the best way to grow my career, and thank you Evision to show me right direction in my online training journey.